Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing slash review, including the pros and the cons of the latest luxury handbag that I added to my collection. And this is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB Damier Ebene. I'm so ecstatic about this bag. It's been on my wish list for about 2 years now, so I finally got this bag in my hand and I can't wait to showcase this with you. Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel to grow, so thank you in advance, guys. I really appreciate it. So some backstory. So I always wanted this bag, as I mentioned before, so I went to the Louis Vuitton store to try it on, to touch it. I ended up getting the Louis Vuitton stiletto boots instead, and these babies are just super duper cute. So I decided that, you know what, I think this would be a great combo to pair the bags with these shoes. So I knew that I always wanted to come back and get that bag. Finally I got the bag. It's such a hard bag to find. I ended up finding it in one store in Las Vegas, so I had to grab it. Even if I decided I don't want it that day, I had to get it because it was the last one left. I don't know if they're gonna still continue to make this bag, so I had to snatch it. So without further ado, let's jump right into showcasing this bag. And so excited. This is what she came in. This is a box, and they gave me a small bag with a receipt in it, and as you can see, I previously opened it. I actually did an unboxing for TikTok. I'm on TikTok now. It's like, I will show you right here the unboxing, the official unboxing of the TikTok video that I did. This is the box that it came in, and of course she's in the dust bag. And here she goes. Super cute. So let's talk about the features of this bag.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
So inside you have the strap, the adjustable strap, and the labels. And also the padlock right here came into this small dust bag as well. I don't know if I'm going to use a padlock, I'm not sure, but I can put it on there because of the aesthetic of it. I can do that, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I went ahead and added the straps to it. So as you can see, it's in this brown luscious color, and it's in the Damier Ebene classical canvas. I do love this one a lot. I prefer this one. To me, it looks so elegant and timeless. It's really nice. It has a contrast, lighter brown and darker brown, which I do like, that check type of design. It has the gold hardware to it, so it gives me this chic classic look. I do love gold accessories. This will fit great in my collection. It can pair with a lot of my jewelry and clothes, so I'm really happy about that. You can see the gold zipper here, and it has this zip around zipper, and at the top of the zipper you have the Louis Vuitton emblem right here. Super cute. The handles are these two Torrance handle, very sturdy in my opinion. This looks like it will last a long time. I don't have to worry about wear and tear on it. You can see the gold emblems right here on the strap, and at the base of the strap, these gold studs right here. It has the Louis Vuitton emblem imprinted around it on both sides, and all four of them, so it's pretty cool. At the bottom too, it has these 4 button studs that protect the bag, so if you decide to place your bag on a table or even on the ground, you don't have to worry about wear and tear on this bag. So it was well thought out on their behalf, so I like that. And also you have this handle right here. It's not adjustable, which I wish it was adjustable, but we get into that. And on the hooks you have the gold hardware as well, and it has the LV imprinted on it. So let's look inside and see how inside looks. As you can see, it has the classic staple red hardware lining, and this is a microfiber lining inside. Feels pretty sturdy, and it has this big open compartment, and you have the pocket insert right here. You can put like your cards or some coins, anything that you want to, or your keys. You can drop your keys down in here. Anything that you want to be accessible to you, you can always use this side. And here it is. Hopefully I don't damage it inside, so I have to make sure that I don't have any pens loose in here, any makeup that can damage inside of the bag. So yeah, I really love the inside. Inside to me is one of the best. Like, it's just such a standout. I love the red, and red is my favorite color, so of course. So I want to share with you how I plan to wear this bag. I definitely plan, as I said before, to wear this with these Louis Vuitton boots that I picked up 2 years ago because it's just a great combination. But I plan to wear this as a top handle, so I love the versatility of it. I can definitely wear it without the straps as a top handle, or I can just wear the straps just for aesthetic reasons, so I can decide if I want to interchange between a top handle or a crossbody given the mood that I'm in that day. Or I could wear it in the nook of my elbows right here, or I can just basically put it over my shoulder. I don't particularly care to wear it as a crossbody because for me sometimes bags as crossbodies, they look a bit bulky. I can be wrong. Also, if you like, you can just put it on your wrist. Put it in your hand like this or on your wrist. Super cute. So it's just multifaceted and I love that about this bag. It's like you can wear it many ways. So I do like that. So let's jump into the pros and the cons of this bag so that we can wrap up this video. So the first pro for me is definitely how versatile this bag is. You can wear it in many ways. You can rock it as a top handle. You can rock it as a crossbody. Whatever way you decide to rock it, you can. I love that it can be interchangeable between nighttime or daytime look. You can dress it up or you can wear it casually. I love the canvas of the bag. I know it's not 100% leather, it's their Louis Vuitton classic canvas. What I like about the bag is that I don't have to worry about wear and tear. I don't have to worry about water damage. It's super scratch resistible, like you can rub your fingers over your bag, you don't have to worry because it's not lambskin. So I definitely don't like to have a bag and worry about if I'm going to ruin it. I love to enjoy my bag, so it takes away that anxiety not being able to really enjoy my bag. And I love that the parts of the bag too, that's definitely leather, it's protected and it's coated as well, so that's a plus for me. Also, I do love the 4 studs at the bottom, most definitely to prevent any wear or tear under the bottom surface of the bag. So I love that I can put my bag on the ground, I can place my bag on the table, and I don't have to worry about any scratch or tears or rips on my bag because these studs protect the bottom of my bag. I have 2 pros. I wish that the strap was adjustable. I am 5'8", so I know for sure that it won't look too long on me. It does not hit me too high or too low, it's just right. But I can imagine someone that is shorter than me may have a difficult time with this bag being too long on them, so I wish that they had the versatility of being adjustable. But otherwise from that, I do love the bag. The other one for me that I don't, it's not like I have a big problem, but I wish that inside of the bag had more compartments. I sometimes detest some bags that have one open compartments because sometimes if you don't strategically put your stuff and remember where you put them, you can have a hard time finding things, and I don't like to dig around my bag. It's very frustrating. So I do like some compartments. I don't know if they have like inserts that I can buy on Amazon. I'm going to check for that because I do love a bag with different compartments so that I can strategically put my things where I can find them. What I read is that this bag fits more than you think. It might look small, but it fits a lot. So yes, I do love that, but I wish that they had like even 2 big compartments, like 2 sides. It's not the end all be all. I can still rock this bag, so I'm excited about it. I'm happy with it. So I most definitely recommend this bag. It's a dream bag of mine, of course. You might think that I'm biased when it comes to this bag because this bag has been on my luxury wish list for a long time, but trust me, it's worth every penny. It's durable, it's sturdy. I guarantee that this bag to me will last a long time because you don't have to worry about wear and tear. Yes, it has a few cons to it. The pros outweighs the cons, so it's a definite yes for me. I know I'm going to enjoy this bag for years to come, so I'm excited about that. So would I recommend this bag? 100%. If you want it, I suggest you go and get it because I don't know if this bag is going to be around forever, so that's why I snatched this bag up real quick because I would really cry if they discontinue this bag. Because child, where am I gonna find a pre-loved bag like this? The price might be so astronomical. So get this bag if you so love it and you have been watching numerous reviews on it. It's definitely worth it. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you will consider to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.